आज हम पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के कुछ स्पेशल केसेस के बारे में बात करेंगे, जिसमें कि प्लेट्स के बीच में मल्टीपल डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स स्लैब्स होंगे। सिंगल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के बीच में कई डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स होंगे, डिफरेंट पोजीशन पे, डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में। तो अभी फर्स्ट केस में जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स हैं, ये ए और बी दोनों प्लेट्स हैं और इनमें 3 डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब लगे हुए हैं, जिनकी थिकनेस T1, T2 और T3 है और इनके डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट्स K1, K2 और K3 हैं। There are 3 dielectric slabs between the plates, and in first case we will discuss where dielectrics are parallel to each other and these are also parallel to the plate। और हम इस तरह से लेंगे, जब शुरू करेंगे तो इसमें हम इस तरह से लेंगे कि ये तीनों अलग अलग कैपेसिटर के रूप में बिहेव करेंगे। हम एज्यूम करेंगे कि जो इनके जो जॉइंट्स हैं वो एक निग्लिजिबल प्लेट थिकनेस के रूप में ये काम करेंगे। ये तीनों स्लैब्स अलग अलग कैपेसिटर के रूप में बिहेव करेंगे, हम ऐसा मानेंगे। तो मान लिया ये तीनों स्लैब्स C1, C2 और C3 3 कैपेसिटर्स के रूप में बिहेव कर रहे हैं और तीनों कैपेसिटर्स सीरीज में हैं। तो हम क्या करेंगे कि C1, C2 और C3 की वैल्यूज निकालेंगे और इनको सीरीज में मानते हुए हम इनका इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस निकाल लेंगे। और इसमें यह भी दिया गया है कि इसका जो प्लेट का जो एरिया है दैट इज A। तो हम इन तीनों का जब निकालेंगे C1, C2, C3, तो हमारा जो जनरल फार्मूला है दैट इज C इज इक्वल टू KA एप्सिलॉन नॉट ओवर D, वेयर D इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट। ठीक है, इन तीनों केस में D क्या होगा? C1 के लिए होगा T1, C2 के लिए T2, C3 के लिए T3। एरिया वही होगा तीनों के लिए, और जो K है वो तीनों के लिए क्या होगा? K1, K2 और K3। तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं। सो फॉर द फर्स्ट स्लैब C1, that is capacitance of the first slab will be C1 will be equal to, you can say, capacitance of first slab with thickness T1 and dielectric constant K1. So C1 will be equal to K1 epsilon naught A by T1. This is for first slab. Similarly, C2 will be equal to K2 epsilon naught A by T2, and C3 will be equal to K3 epsilon naught A by T3. These are the individual capacitances for the individual slabs. So, for equivalent capacitance, we will apply the formula. अब क्योंकि देखिए these C1, C2, C3 are in series. C1, C2, C3 are in series. Therefore, you can say equivalent capacitance one by between AB between AB, 1 by CAB will be equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So this will come to as 1 by C1 will be equal to K1 epsilon naught A by T1 plus 1 by K2 epsilon naught A by T2 plus 1 by K3 epsilon naught A by T3. So this will be equal to T1 ऊपर चला गया, T1 by K1 epsilon naught A plus T2 by K2 epsilon naught A plus T3 by K3 epsilon naught A. अब इन तीनों में there will be common 1 by epsilon naught A. So it will be 1 by epsilon naught A common, and it will be T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3. So CAB, you can say total capacitance or equivalent capacitance, this will be equal to epsilon naught A by T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3. We can also generalize. If there are many slabs, then it may be plus T4 by K4 plus all that. It may be up to n. So this is the expression for this situation for case 1. Now we will take another case. In this case, these are the plates and the dielectric slabs are basically perpendicular to the plates. These slabs are perpendicular to the plates. Plates are A and B, and like before, K1, K2 and K3 are the dielectric constants for these three slabs, and the thickness of the slabs are x1, x2 and x3. The width of the plate and the slabs are B. So these three slabs can be taken as individual, you can say, capacitors. So we can calculate, say it can be taken as C1, C2, C3 in parallel. So potential difference between three slabs will remain same. Therefore, it can be taken as parallel. So we will calculate the individual capacitance. Then it will be calculated as a parallel. So we will go for C1 using the formula. C1 will be K1 epsilon naught. For A it will be x1b. The area of this slab will be x1 is thickness and b is the width, plate width. So it will be K1 epsilon naught x1 b by d. D is the distance between the two plates. So this is C1. Similarly, C2 will be K2 epsilon naught x2b by d, and C3 will be equal to K3 epsilon naught X3B by D. So to calculate the equivalent capacitance, we will go, because this is the parallel combination, then that can be treated as parallel combination. So CAB, between A and B, the equivalent capacitance. So equivalent capacitance CAB will be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is because all three are in parallel, because the potential difference between the two plates is same for all three capacitors. So just put up the values. This will be equal to K1 epsilon 0 X1B by D plus K2 epsilon 0 X2B by D plus K3 epsilon 0 X3B by D. K3 epsilon 0 X3B by D. It is for this one. X1, X2, X3. These are the thickness, and B is the width. So area will be X1B, X2B, X3B. These are the areas for three slabs. So it is same formula. D is the distance between the two plates. So that's all. So epsilon by D can be taken common. So this is the expression based on the values given that can be calculated, or it can be put like this: epsilon B D by D common K1 X1 plus K2 X2 plus K3 X3. So that can be simplified. So this is the expression. So these are the two cases we have discussed. So now later on in next video we will discuss some other cases, some more critical and more complex cases. So now today it is enough, and in next video we will go for some numericals and some other more complex cases. Thank you.